Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video you'll learn about the past simple tense with irregular verbs. You'll learn about situations in which the past simple tense is used, some common irregular verbs. You'll learn how to form the past simple, and you can find some past simple exercises to practice. The past simple tense is used for finished actions happened in the past. Often it is used with such time words as a month ago, a day ago, an hour ago, last Monday, last Christmas, last Easter, in 1995, yesterday, the day before yesterday, on the 7th of May, etc. Example: I visited Miami last year. In this sentence, a regular verb is used, and to form the past simple tense, you need to add ed to the regular verb. Visited. The past simple tense is also used for actions happened one after another. I read a book, then I wrote an essay, and later I went to bed. So there are three irregular verbs in this sentence: read, wrote, and went. This tense is also used for actions happened for a long time in the past. I lived in Spain for 10 years from 2012 to 2022. Now you can see some common irregular verbs. For example, the infinitive form of the verb to be changes to was or were in the past simple tense. Was for singular pronouns, were for plural pronouns. Become, became, begin, began, do, did, go, went, build, built, cut, cut. Here you can see that there are some irregular verbs that do not change their form in the past simple tense, so they are particularly easy to memorize. Drive, drove, drink, drank, know, knew, lose, lost, make, made, meet, met, put, put, run, ran, see, saw. Now, there are some irregular verbs that need their infinitive form. So we can see went, ate, wrote, broke, rode, spoke, slept, flew, drank, read, built, gave. So what is their infinitive form? Let's have a look at them. Go, went, eat, ate, write, wrote, break, broke, ride, rode, speak, spoke, sleep, slept, fly, flew, drink, drank, read, read, build, built, give, gave. Now that you know in which situations the past simple should be used and some common irregular verbs, let's see the structure of a past simple tense sentence. What is its affirmative form? Let's take as an example the irregular verb to go. Its past simple form is went. And as you can see, it is the same for all pronouns. I went, you went, he went, she went, it went, we went, you went, they went. And what about the negative form, the negative sentence in the past simple tense? To make a negative sentence in the past simple tense, you need to use didn't plus the verb in its infinitive form. So in the negative form, in the past simple tense, you do not need to use the past simple form, only the infinitive form. I didn't go, you didn't go, he didn't go, she didn't go, it didn't go, we didn't go, you didn't go, they didn't go. Didn't is the short form. For the long form, you use did not. And what do you need to do to make a question in the past simple tense? You start your question with did plus subject plus verb in its infinitive form. Did I go? Did you go? Did he go? Did she go? Did it go? Did we go? Did you go? Did they go? Now let's practice some past simple exercises. Here you need to order the words to make a sentence. To learn more about the word order, please watch my video indicated in the upper right corner. So the first sentence has the following words: a novel, year, my sister, read, last. The second sentence has the following words: slept, she, night, last, well. So please order these words to make a sentence in the past simple tense. Please take some time. Okay, so the correct order of the words in the past simple tense is the following. So the first sentence, you start with the subject, my sister, plus verb, read, plus object, read what? A novel last year. And the second sentence, she slept well last night. In the following exercise, you need to rewrite the questions using the past simple. So the original questions are in the present simple tense. And now you need to rewrite them in the past simple and write an affirmative or negative short answer. The first sentence, do they come to your party? The second sentence, does he go on holiday to Spain? So let's see these questions in the past simple tense and their short answers. So the first sentence, do they come to your party? You rewrite it in the past simple. Did they come to your party? And the short affirmative answer is yes, they did. The second sentence, the original question, does he go on holiday to Spain in the present simple? And in the past simple, it is the following. Did he go on holiday to Spain? And you had to write a negative short answer. No, he didn't. Let's continue with the past simple multiple choice exercises. I to school yesterday. And you need to choose between the following verbs: build, go, read. So what do you think? Which verb is correct and what is its past simple form? The correct verb to use is the verb to go, and its past simple form is went. I went to school yesterday. One more sentence. I pizza for dinner last night. The verbs to choose are the following: eat, drink, build. What do you think in this sentence? Which verb should be used and what is its past simple form? The correct verb to use is the verb to eat. Its past simple form is ate. I ate pizza for dinner last night. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.